dealing with mucus, coughing, flu symptoms, or throat irritation. This simple, homemade remedy may help soothe the throat and support natural mucus relief. Chop one onion and place it in a bowl. Add a little honey, the juice of half an orange, and the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything well until combined. Take 1 spoonful in the morning and another at night. This natural syrup may help reduce mucus, calm coughing, and bring soothing support for throat discomfort and flu symptoms naturally.